Images can be very difficult to choose. Each one has to interact with the text. The image has to explain the text and the text has to explain the image. Sometimes you choose an image to expand on what you wrote and sometimes you write something in order to expand on what is in the image.
How do I know which image to choose?
Sometimes you can choose an image that directly relates to the story you want to tell. For example, if you are telling a story about your father, you would choose an image about your father. But if you were trying to illustrate, say, friendship, you would need a more abstract image. Maybe showing two people talking to each other.
What type of images can I use?
Photographs, cartoons, images from movies, anything you can use to explain what you are discussing. Different images explain things in different ways. A cartoon may explain an idea like friendship or unhappiness. A photograph can show exactly what you are thinking or it can only hint at something. One student showed a picture of a man with a ship in the background. Was the man his father? Was he going away on the ship? I'll never know.
Where do I find these images?
You can use your own photos or you can search Google and download them.
Is that legal?
That's a good question. We feel that downloading images is an acceptable example of fair use because we are using them for educational purposes. There are no financial issues. I'm not making any money. And most importantly, we are transforming them by putting them into the digital story. But you never know. As I always say, it depends.
Do I have to cite them?
You have to create a list of URLs at the end of the story, just like you would for your argumentative paper. It would be nice if you could identify each photo with its URL.
This is going to be very difficult. I'm not really a visual person. I don't think well in pictures.
With the World Wide Web, it is becoming more and more important for us to think visually. Good luck.